Today I finally received my JBL Bluetooth earphones. Let me unbox it first. So here it is. It is called, let me open this up. So it is called the Tune 110 BT from JBL. So I got this for around, so the MRP written here is 2499. I got this for around 1600 rupees. So this is the box. These are the earphones in the back. So talking about the specifications, pure bass sound. That is basically a earphone that's meant to produce good bass. It takes hand-free calls. It says angle-free here, and there is magnet at the earbuds so that you can stick it when you don't use it. So here it says it has a 6-hour battery backup. So this is what you get inside the box. So let us put aside the earphones and see what else is inside. So we have this paperwork, which is basically the instruction manuals. So it's the instruction manual. You don't need it anyways. Let us put this aside. This is, I suppose, the warranty card. Yeah, this is the warranty card. This is something I don't know. This is the instruction manual again. You don't need these things. Look at this. It looks pretty decent and premium actually. It has got extra earbuds. There are extra earbuds. I've got a charging cable. It's a micro USB, and here are the earphones. Here is it. So here is, we have JBL written here. We have the volume rockers, and yeah, there is a rubber pad under which you have the charging point. You can charge it through here. That's all you get in this case. The earpods are pretty premium. Like, there's JBL written here, and it has magnet. It sticks when you put it in your ear neck. It will stick like this. So it's pretty good.